Welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to grow okra into our urban garden, into grow bag or into the pots. Okra can be grown into summer as well as the monsoon season, and it can be grown very easily by direct sowing of the seed. For growing okra successfully, you need to maintain certain things so that you will get the best okra for your consumption. For that, you need to select the right size of the pot or the grow bag. You must prepare the grow bag media so that your plant will nourish well, and you must maintain certain distance to grow okra well. And in this video, I am going to explain you in detail all about how to sow okra with all the details. So, to know everything in detail, please stay connected to the video till the end. Let's start this video. So friends, we are going to grow okra into these grow beds. Now these grow beds are around 7.5 inch deep. Normally, okra must be grown around 8 to 10 inch deep pot or into the grow bag. And if you use even bigger than that or deeper than that, it will be better. But yes, we can grow it into even into 7.5 inch grow bed also. So first, after selecting the right size of the pot or the grow bed, now you must prepare the soil for the growing the okra. Now you can see that this is our grow bed where we are already some certain crop is growing on. So what we can do, we can amend this soil with the fertilizer so that our okra plant can nourish well and grow well. But before that, you can see that some of the old crop is still standing into the bed. So what we'll do, first we'll remove out this all the crop, then nourish the bed, and after that we'll sow the seed. Now talking about the sowing distance. Okra normally should be planted around 1 to 1.5 feet line to line distance. And for that line distance, we can put the seed every 4 to 6 inch. Now here this grow bed is around 1.5 feet. So we are going to put 2 lines of the okra into it, and we will be sowing the seed around 4 to 5 inch. So later on, if the density is high, we can remove some of them and get the good growth of okra into this. So first we need to prepare the soil, then we'll plant the okra seed. Now okra can be grown directly from its seeds, and for growing the good okra crop, we must select the good quality of the seed. For that, we must select the hybrid variety of the okra so that it will give the good production within the small area. So we have selected 2 variety of okra. One is normal, the green okra, and another one is the red okra. These both are hybrid variety, and we are going to sow this hybrid variety over here. But before that sowing, we are going to remove all the traces of the old crop. We are going to amend the soil, and then after amending the soil, we are going to sow it. I am going to put all the demo in the further part of the video. So let us start with the cleaning of the bed. Now the first step for preparing this bed is to remove the traces of the old crop. For that, what we can do, here you can see the old crop. So we can remove this crop from the root. So we uproot this crop from here, and then we'll remove this trellis wire also. So first we need to remove the clips we have put for the trellising. So we are removing this tomato clips, and then we are going to remove this rope, and then we'll remove whole plant. So this is how we need to clean our whole bed first. So we are removing all these crop remains from this bed. So friends, now you can see that we have removed all the debris from the old crop. Now we need to loosen this soil. So for that we are using some tool and loosening all the soil. This is very important step because all the soil which is hardened after the watering will get loose and get aerated. So it will help the new crop root develop deeper into the soil very easily. So once we lose this soil like this, we need to add and top up this bed. You can see that this bed is now almost 1 inch, 1.5 inch down. So what we are going to do, we are going to fill this bed with the mixture of the soil and the manure. So for that we have prepared this mixture where we have 3 part of the soil and 1 part of the well composted cow dung manure. So we are going to add this into bed so that bed again reaches to the top level, and then it will be ready for the sowing. So after adding the soil, we will level this to the top level of the grow bed. This will give the sufficient media for plant to grow. Now this is ready for sowing the seed, but we are not going to sow the seed directly into it. Before sowing the seed, we are going to run the drip for at least 2 hours, so all this soil get moisture enough, and then under the Vapsa condition, at the where the soil lumps are loose enough and get break, we'll put the seed into it for the germination. So first we are going to complete whole bed like this, and then we'll start the activity of the sowing after watering the bed. So right now we are completing the leveling of the bed first. So friends, now you can see that we have prepared this bed with adding a soil and the manure mix into this and level this bed. And we have started the drip also, so the watering has started into it. Now we can sow the okra seed into it. Now as we have decided, we will put 2 type of okra seed. So one of the red and one of the green. We'll put 1 bed each, 10 foot for the each seed. So first we are going to put this green okra into this. So we are taking some of the seeds. Now we have to maintain the 2 line into it at 9 to 10 inch distance, and sowing can be done with a 2 method. We can either open the small trench and put the seed every 5 to 6 inch and cover this trench, or else we can position the seed and then we can press the seed to the depth. I am demonstrating both the method. So for the first method, we are opening a trench around half inch to 1 inch into this soil. You can see that lot of soil is now moisture. So this is good condition to sow the okra. So once we open this trench, then we should put the seed into it. So we are taking this seed and putting seed every 5 to 6 inch. This is around 5 inch. So we are putting every 5 inch. So all the seeds of our okra are on the equidistance, and later on we need not to sort it out. So likewise, we are putting all the seed into this, and then we simply need to cover. So we are simply covering this okra seed with the same soil. So this completes our sowing. Now we don't need to put any water until that seed sprouts and settle down. So another way of putting okra is, we can put this okra seed directly into the bed. We can position them every 5 inch first like this, and once we position them, then we can press them down into the soil so that they'll get the moisture and start germination. At the time of pushing them down, we need to ensure that they push down around half inch to 1 inch. So this is what we need to do, and then we can cover it with the same soil again. So our drip system is running. So we'll water them once thoroughly, and then we are not going to give any water till all the seeds germinate and settle down. So friends, this is the way you can also grow okra in your home garden with the grow bag or the grow bed, either into your terrace or into the balcony. So if you are planning to grow okra this season, so sow this okra this way with giving good amount of fertilizer and soil, and then grow the okra and have a very good harvest within 35 to 40 days, and have a fresh okra harvest for your consumption. Happy growing!